Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kim. To all my returning subscribers, you know I love you guys so much as per usual. Today's tutorial, well, it's not a tutorial. Today's video is gonna be a different, like I'm attempting to do a 10-minute makeup challenge. Like I'm attempting to do a 10-minute full glam. Like I don't know how this is gonna go. I really don't, because I take forever to do my makeup. I never do my makeup in 10 minutes, so this is definitely a challenge. Let's see. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy iPhone and I'm going to set my timer to 10 minutes. Honestly, I don't know how this is gonna look. Okay, get yourself together. Okay. Oh my god. Fuck, guys, I'm at 7:57 minutes left. How? I took 3 minutes just to put on foundation. Jesus Christ, I suck. Oh my god. Oh my god. How did 5 minutes go already? It's 5 minutes. How? 5 minutes. How am I already 5 minutes and I have no eyebrows on? I think someone is messing with my clock because it cannot be like 5 minutes already. Shit. Bitch, it says 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Oh my god. Oh my god. So are we wearing some natural brows today, hunty? Like, I'm gonna put on eyelashes. Oh. Okay. Okay. My brows look retarded. Shit. They gonna have to do. I have a minute and 37 seconds. How, Sway? How? How? Who did this? Oh my god. Yo, everything looks crazy. I'm done. I'm done. Do an ombre lip. Fuck. 38 seconds. I don't think y'all even saw that. It won't open. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I didn't put no lashes on. Oh god. Okay. 12 seconds, guys. Since we didn't get to do lashes, let's do some mascara. Oh my god. Time is up. Time is up. Truthfully speaking, this is what we have. I don't think I did a good job. Let me zoom y'all in. This is what we have. This is what we have. Mascara on one eye. There's none on this eye. 10 minutes. Look at my eyebrows. Jesus Christ. We gonna slay all day just like this. This is my 10-minute face. Yo, I was trying to do full glam. Bruh. If you do your makeup quick, like you can get your makeup done in 10 minutes, I salute you. Cause bitch, I failed. I failed. What is this? Oh my god. Okay. So since my 10 minutes is up, I'm just gonna put some lashes on. That's not cheating because I did show you all what my 10-minute looked like, but this is my 10-minute face. We going out with one eye with mascara and the other eye with nothing. For 10 minutes, the skin does not look bad, I must say. Bruh. Oh god, I failed. Oh shit, my contacts. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna put some mascara on and I'm going to add some little lashes just to finish it. But this is it. Just my 10-minute look. This is how we going outside, sis. Like, Yo, if y'all tried this, like, try a 10-minute challenge. Let me know how it works out for you because this, What's going on with my nose contour? Like, my nose is screwed up right now. I can't even find the brush. Like, tell me how I sat down. I didn't take the right brushes up. So this makeup look really just got what I gave it. It's gonna take whatever the hell I did, and this is it. I'm gonna go get me. We don't look bad. We don't look bad. Come on, like for 10 minutes, we don't look bad. Okay. Let me just spray my face a little bit. Cause I look hella powdery with all that powder. And I'm gonna post this video without cutting nothing out. So this is unedited, my 10-minute makeup look. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'm gonna put some lashes on just to not look so crazy. Like, I'm gonna put some lashes on and should I put a wig on? I'm gonna do something. No, I'm gonna go wrap my hair with a head tie and I'm gonna come back. Ow. It's like booty like ow. Okay, my loves, so this is my 10-minute makeup face, and I did do this face in 10 minutes. Don't come for me, I really did. The only thing that I didn't get done is putting on lashes, and I just popped those on right afterwards, but everything on this face was done in 10 minutes. Let me know down below how you feel about this video. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, because sis, I finessed this, okay? I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.